Hi guys, my name is Anna and I'm into the binary options trading. That's a little bit windy because I'm in Dubai Resort and I'm at the Lamborghini. So guys, if you want to know more, if you want to get more results, profits, knowledges, you can just proceed to my Telegram link, to my Telegram channel where I post 12 signals per day and you can use it and get the same.
We're still gonna go. Oh my god, it's so slow. We had this fallen. No. Hi guys, here's me Anna. I'm gonna be sitting today in this actually rainy day doing my favorite things to do, being a little bit even sick, but anyway, I'm in it, I'm on it. We're gonna get these bets, we're gonna get these profits. So let's test the strategy. I didn't choose something that it's gonna be way tempting because I am not in the mood of it, not in the state of it, I'm not in the shape of it. So it's gonna be working. Let's just check it. And guys, we're getting started. Don't mind my voice, don't mind my look, because I'm actually in this flu season and today started awfully for me. I'm sick, but I decided just made a quick few videos and we're gonna be done. So I'm not gonna be feeling guilty for being irresponsible, and you will get maybe with the kind of naughty voice, but your fresh videos. So that's fair deal. Okay. We're going with the Alligator, we're going with all setups, and if I'm gonna be too slow today, you can actually speed it up and it's gonna just find maybe 1.5, maybe 2, and that's gonna be the perfect one. I am going with all these setups, and if you see me in my glasses, that means that I'm kind of sick because that's the reason I do not wear my contact lenses and lenses. I don't know how to pronounce it correctly. So I'm not gonna be talking much. Yosemite Alligator, CCI and Alligator, and seems like pretty classy, seems like pretty working, and I don't expect much, and I don't expect much bad from it also either. Okay, let's start and let's go. Okay, the doors are open and we go in. It's gonna be 300 and surprisingly, but we're gonna get into the upward trend. I know here we are just at the perfect image of downward trend. You can see the Yosemite candles turn red, trying to get smaller. You can see the CCI line getting downward. You can see the Alligator lines get a distant, but you can feel it, especially with the candles, that it's actually trying to get crossed and trying to get downward. But why are we here? Why are we at this exact point? And to be honest, I was just like, I don't know, it's gonna be the small fluctuation. I don't know why exactly. But you can see that all this growing been actually with the tiny candles, and I do not expect, and this kind of messy situation, but with the indicator it's all perfect, and it is, that's gonna be kind of small pollen. In most of these cases, it's actually getting as a letter, for example, or we can actually see that it's gonna be some growing after. But that was a tricky one, that's true. Now they're gonna stay right there, and you may see that actually some of the little candles are at the zero at the ground, but we weren't at the lowest point at all. That's the trick. And look at this also a little. Look at this 470. We gotta go, and right now we gotta get downward. You can see the Yosemite candles. It's actually big and it's actually already going, and we kind of risking, and you must see that the Alligator lines are messed up, and it seems like we're gonna get downward. Seems like we're gonna get upward. but we have still the space to CCI to hit the ground. And I think, of course, somewhere here, that should be the bottom. We are kind of close to it. It's supposed to be the bottom, but oh, I'm sorry. But I just think this 1 minute is not going to be way enough to go that upward. We're still gonna go. I know it's the end of it, right? If you're gonna be checking CCI and listening to its signals, it's like the end of it. But if you are still at the lowest low, look at this. That was crazy. So at least we needed some green candles from the awesome oscillator, at least a hint of it. Of course we're gonna go. Okay, seems like the red candles, but it started to get green. I think it's still gonna be the big rising. Nah, not falling, but rising. You can see the big tendency of getting upward, and all these red candles from the awesome oscillator, it's like exaggerating, you know. It seems like if you're gonna be checking the awesome oscillator, it's kind of the big fluctuations, but you need to be right here in the real life with the candles. And with these tiny candles, there is no talk about big fluctuations, not at all. Okay, how many seconds left? Oh, it's getting so long. Let's wait. You can see that we're gonna be still growing and growing and growing, but it's so, oh my god, it's so slow. That's kind of boring one. Okay. Look at this crossing, and just been thinking in this state of mind where I just want to lay down and that's it. I cannot talk and think at the same time. Seems to me that we're gonna have some falling. I am fine with that, but you can see the alligator lines already showing us that the big tendency is supposed to be the rising. Of course, alligator lines may lie, that's true, but I do not expect that. Let's see. Now look at that, we had this falling. No. Oh my god. It's actually kind of the, that's the falling situation. It is, it's been shown to us, it's gonna be a tiny attempt to get a bit upward. It's kind of working vice versa, don't you think so? Okay, let's take it one more, and it's gonna be the last one. Even this one is kind of extra. Ooh, look at this. Oh, that's enormously big rising. It's such a beautiful from a distance. Oh, that's the beauty of it. The tendencies. Okay, we're gonna go. I think we're gonna be going upward, still getting upward. I am not sure about this alligator, and it's that looks way better without it. Let's wait. And we are actually going to the sky just as we wanted. It's crazy with the candles of the awesome oscillator. Oh, look at this. Look at this one. We had a multiple crossing, and by the end of it, by the end of the day, that was actually our ride. And this is it. It's not that perfect, I must admit, because right here, I don't know why, surprisingly, actually, alligator been working with vice versa, and it's the bad situation for this type of indicator because it's right on chart, and the first impression that you got, it's just moving along, and you need to make some efforts to check it and to read it. And awesome oscillator is kind of, so it was kind of 50-50. I must say it's promising. I must say it's definitely going to be working, but you need to be quite attentive. That's the truth of life. That's it.